What's up guys, in this video you are going to learn how to earn money from YouTube. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. I create video lessons, tutorials, guides, product reviews, videos to help you learn how to use technology to improve your lifestyle. And in this case, that means using YouTube to improve your lifestyle by making money online with video. Now, YouTube, in my humble opinion, is the best video platform for making money online. A lot of people say, oh, YouTube is dead, like YouTube's too competitive, I can't make it on YouTube anymore. That is completely false. There are a million users on YouTube and more are coming to the platform every day as creators, but that doesn't mean that you can't make it online as a YouTube creator and make money on YouTube. Now, the simple answer to the question, how do you make money on YouTube, is this. You make money on YouTube with ads and sales. That's basically the gist of it. Now, most people, when they think, oh, I want to make money on YouTube, they think of ads. And that's because YouTube does allow you to monetize your videos. Unlike a lot of other platforms out there, I know that Facebook is launching, as of filming this video, they are launching a beta program where they do include ads in their videos, but it's really hard for just any creator to get accepted into that. And YouTube, while they do have a lot more restrictions now, meaning like you have to have 1,000 subscribers and I believe 40,000 hours of watch time in the past year to qualify for AdSense, to qualify for ads on your videos, that is something that is very possible. Now, it might take you a while to get there. Now, that's the difficult thing, is most YouTube creators think, I'm gonna jump on YouTube and be rich and be a YouTube star and quit my job and make videos for the rest of my life. And it's really not that simple. Like, if you are going to get into this, you do need to have a long-term strategy. You do need to come into this game thinking, hey, I'm gonna do this for 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, whatever, and commit to it long-term to really see the rewards. For my channel right here, it took me a full year of making videos to get to 100 subscribers. Now, it's very easy to give up before you get to that point. But after I got to that point, it really started to snowball. And I got to 1,000 subscribers a couple months later. And now I'm approaching, as of filming this video, 5,000 subscribers in just a few months after that. So the longer you stick to it, the faster you'll grow and the more money you'll make, specifically from advertising. And like I said, you won't even qualify for advertising until you have met the requirements. So it is going to take a little bit of investment long-term to get that qualification. But another way to make money on YouTube that you can start instantly, and you should start instantly, is through selling. So there's a lot of different ways to selling. One of the most popular ways to sell on YouTube is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, of course, being you promote other people's products and they pay you a commission for every sale that you make. The most popular being Amazon. Anyone can sign up for Amazon affiliates. You go into Amazon, you go into your account, go to Amazon Associates, sign up for an affiliate program. You can literally link to any Amazon product you want, throw the link in the description below your video, and if people go to Amazon and buy the product or buy any product, you make money from it. So if you click the link below this below this video, you'll see links to Amazon products for products that I recommend that, people use, that are using iPhones or videos or whatever. And if you were to buy anything, or even like buy cat food after clicking on one of my links, I'd still make a commission off your cat food. That's the cool thing about Amazon. Now, you can do this for all sorts of products. You can go and look at your favorite brands, your favorite websites, become an affiliate, and then create videos and promote those products. And that's a great way to make money on YouTube as a beginner before you've qualified for Google Ads. So you can start making money right away. Not to mention, an affiliate sales is actually a lot smarter way to make money than ads, and you will actually make a lot more money than from YouTube ads. Just to give you a general idea, if you want to know how much money people are making from ads on YouTube, a very general number is you will make, or you can make, right around $2. Okay, I should be careful. Well, let me be even more general. You can make right around $2 for every 1,000 views you get on your channel. Now, like I said, That is a very general estimate. It really depends on your niche because that will depend on what kind of ads are showing, but that's a good starting spot. So if you were to create a video, you've monetized for ads, and you got 10,000 views on that video, you could probably make around $5. So 10,000 views would earn you about $5 in ad revenue. That's pretty basic, YouTube ad math. Now, but if you think about it with affiliate marketing, if you were to get a video that has 10,000 views, but every time someone buys the product through your link or whatever it is that you're linking to, you make $30. Let's say you only make one sale in 10,000 views, only one of those 10,000 people clicks through and buys the product, you made $30 versus making $5 from ads. So you can see that affiliate marketing and sales is a much smarter way to make money on YouTube. So that's why I definitely recommend anyone, and you can be a vlogger. You don't have to do like tutorials and how-tos and stuff like that to make money from affiliate sales. You can be a vlogger and simply mention the product or like show that you have it or show that you're using it. Like you could be like vlogging, riding a longboard and be like, oh my gosh, I love this longboard. There's a link right below this video if you guys want to check out this longboard on Amazon, but yeah, I'm just chilling riding my longboard, So you don't have to just do sit down videos if you want to do affiliate marketing. You can just vlog or talk about whatever you want and just, throw it in every once in a while. And you will be surprised by how many sales you'll start making. But the big piece of advice, guys, if you want to make money on YouTube, is you have to commit long term. You are not going to go on YouTube, make 5 videos, and make $5 million and go move to a beach somewhere. You're going to have to put out videos consistently for a very long period of time before you really start to see the benefits. So if this is something you want to get into, you have to commit to it long term. Tell yourself, I'm going to do this for 3 years, I'm going to do this for 5 years, no matter what, a video a week, 2 videos per week, video per day, whatever you can manage, and then you'll really start to see the benefits. And then in 3 years, you're gonna come back to me, you're gonna leave me a comment on this video and say, Andy, I'm totally crushing it. I've been doing YouTube for 3 years now, quit my job, making money, doing this, doing that, doing what I love, and it could change your life. If you like this video, guys, like I said, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. Check out some of our other awesome videos on this channel that are helping you learn how to use technology to improve your lifestyle. You're gonna learn a lot of cool tips on this channel about how to edit videos, how to create thumbnails, how to create channel art, a lot of different things that are gonna help you in business and in YouTube to improve your overall lifestyle. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.